Very well. We learned how to find quartile 1, 2, and 3, which is finding the minimum, the maximum, and the median. And we're going to go ahead and do that. What Q1 or quartile 1, Q2, quartile 2, or also the median, and Q3 or quartile 3 mark are the three parts that are going to label the middle and two sides of our box for Box-and-Whiskers, okay? So we're going to start off with our data, which like it would appear for you, it's right here on the board right now. So first thing first, put it in order. So let's go ahead and do that. So in our numbers, our smallest number, also known as our minimum, it is 75. Okay, so that one's down. Okay, then it's 80. Got it. Okay, then I would say it is 125. Then 126. Then it would be 135, 140, 140, and 350. Which 350 would be our maximum. Okay, now first, now that it's in order, step 1 done. Step 2, let's find our median. That will tell us where quartile 2 is. So, our minimum, our maximum. Let's find our median. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, so because in this set of data we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 even number of numbers, we're going to take our two numbers that are in the middle, which in this case is 126 and 135. We're going to take 126 and add it to 135 and divide it by 2. That will give us 136, 11, 4, 5, 6, 261 divided by 2, which is also equal to about 130.5. So it would be right in between here. Exactly 130.5. That is our median. Okay. Now that we know where our middle is, now this is quartile 1, which is the smaller half. Now what we're going to do is find the median of this smaller half. Okay? So again, we have an even number, so let's find our middle numbers, which in this case is 80 and 25. And we're going to do the same thing we did here to find our median. So we're going to take 80 and 125 and add them and divide them by 2. 5, 10, 205 divided by 2 is also equal to 140. It is equal to 2, 1. Goes in 20, 102.5 ish. Okay, 102.5 ish. That would be our median. So it would be right in between here. And then now this side, our middle would be right in between 140. So we're going to do the same thing. Even though they are the same numbers, we are still going to go right in between. So 140 plus 140 over 2. So 140 is 2. 80. 2 goes into that. 140 times. So we're still going to put it right in the middle, just because even though they are the same number, and our median for it is still the same number, we're just going to put it right in the middle. Both of them. Because that would be our median. Okay? Now, let's rewrite this and label our points. So, I'm going to go with a different color actually. Let's go with purple. Okay, so we have 75 at our minimum, 80, our dot right here, 125, 126, our median right here, 135 begins our maximum, 140, our dot right here, 140, and 350 ends our maximum. Okay, you see where my dots are right here? I'm going to draw these lines like this. Okay? Now I'm going to make it a box. Okay? Now, this is my minimum side. So I'm just going to put minimum, but it stands for minimum. Min, but it stands for minimum. Then I'm going to draw a line from this side to this side, which is my max. Am I right? Max stands for maximum. And this is my Q1, my Q2, and my Q3. And that is how you label your box and whiskers. Okay? Now, for your assignment today, I'm going to give you a new set of numbers, but I want you to go through it the same way I just did right now. So, you're going to do what we did last class in finding pretty much all your medians, and then going about it, and then finding them on your line, and mapping them out, drawing your plot, okay? So, let's get to your assignment. So, the set of numbers that I want you guys to work with to map out your own box and whisker plots is 11, 19, 7, 5, 21, and 53, okay? Again, just follow the steps I just took in our previous example. If you need any extra help, please don't hesitate and ask. I'm here to help. I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon, and I hope you all have a very wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.